Good morning, guys. It's finally election day, February 25th. It's the presidential elections today, and I'm actually just glad so that we can move on with our lives. All the whole panic buying and restlessness can finally come to an end. Um, I did a bunch of cooking. It was actually my first time cooking this year, so I was really exhausted. After cooking, I still had to create content that I had to post this morning, so I haven't had an hour of sleep. Um, yeah, I'm going to go out to vote. I'm just trying to gather myself because I'm still really tired. My eyes even hurt. Um, I'm thinking of doing like a get ready with me video because, but I don't know. I'm still thinking, do I want to do a get ready with me video or an OOTD video? um, yeah, that's that. I also did like makeup content. I also created makeup content. Yeah, and I have some other things I need to edit. So it's actually going to be like a really busy weekend for me. Um, but yeah, let's go and vote.
Last 12. I don't know. Last 12. Make us.
This is now the most important finger.
Hey guys, so I'm back and I voted for my guy Peter Obi. My polling unit was quite peaceful. Like I didn't expect anything less. It was peaceful. Though the officials came late and they were so disorganized. Like people had to look for tables and chairs for them. Like they didn't make provisions for all this. Yet they said they spent a lot of money. I don't know what they spent money on. But anyway, my polling unit was really peaceful. Everybody voted for who they wanted to vote for. I was even able to make like some clips which I would insert in this vlog. But yeah, I'm back home. I created a content overnight for like the elections, and the engagement I got on that content had me so overwhelmed because I didn't think it was good. It was my first sit down video and I was so nervous. Like I missed up the lines. I got the deal yesterday and had to submit it this morning, but I'm really glad that it's doing well and people are really engaging with it. I'm currently boiling rice to eat. Once I eat that food, now sleep gets me because I haven't slept since, like, because I didn't sleep throughout the night. I had to film the video and edit it and post it this morning. So I'm tired, I'm hungry. Once I eat like this, I'm almost sleep. Oh, I don't even know when I'm gonna wake up. But yeah, I hope you guys went out to vote and I hope you voted for Peter Obi.
Listen, the Lord on high is mightier than the noise of many waters. Hallelujah. Yes, the Lord is mightier than many waves of the sea. I want you to go with a shout.
Hey guys, so a quick outfit check. My bag is from Aldo, my slippers is from Aldo, and my dress is tailor made. I went for a very minimal jewelry vibe. Just my watch and this pearl earrings, which I think makes the whole outfit look so beautiful. And I just slicked my hair back because I'm tired. One, two, I couldn't actually be bothered because I wasn't even in a good mood to go to church because of the whole election nonsense that's been going on. But yeah, I made it to church. I'm back home, and so I'm just going to have lunch. I think tidy up my apartment and await results. I don't know if there'll be work tomorrow. I really hope there won't be work tomorrow, but if there's work, we have to go to work. But yeah. Hey guys, it's already around 9 p.m. Um, INEC is actually playing, as in like INEC is actually being unserious right now because how are you giving us results that are clearly not correct? Like it's so obvious that this election is being rigged because tell me, it's not adding up. Like Chelsea, come on now, like 2 plus 2 isn't adding up right now. There's just been a lot of anxiety. I'm mentally drained actually. I don't know, I'm just really anxious. I'm mentally drained. Everything is just one kind. But yeah, I've had dinner and I'm going to go to bed. I don't even know what I'm going to wear to work tomorrow. When tomorrow comes, I'll take care of that. But yeah, I really hope everything turns out right. I hope that by my next vlog, we'll be having good news because these prophecies that we are seeing is scary. I'm not even gonna lie, it's scary. But yeah, this is the situation of things. Hope you guys voted. I really hope you guys voted, and I know that God will answer our prayers because we've suffered enough. We've really suffered enough. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.